With the majority of the cryptocurrency exchange reflecting a bit of a bear market at the moment, investors have been keeping an eye out for the next big altcoin to rock the market. And it looks as if the search is over, with some predicting that Safemoon, which launched just over a few months ago, has more growth potential than any other crypto currently in circulation. But what makes Safemoon so special, and how do you get your hands on this cryptocurrency before it reaches its bull market value? Well, whether you're looking to add to your investment portfolio or just want to know as much as possible about the future of cryptocurrency, stay right where you are, as we're about to explore everything there is to know about the newest altcoin to hit the market. So strap yourselves in and get ready for an explanatory ride, as things are about to get interesting. But before we get into it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of the new videos we post. The origins of Safemoon. Funnily enough, not much is actually known about Safemoon due to the fact that it hasn't been around for that long. If you visit the official site of the altcoin, you'll be met with the slogan of "Safely to the Moon," which explains the strange name that has been given to the crypto. For those of you who haven't been around the cryptocurrency market for long, "to the moon" is an expression consistently used within the crypto space to refer to a specific digital currency that is about to surge in value. But where there is a surge, there is likely to be a fall, with the volatility of this market being a huge factor that often leads investors away and closer to more well-established investments ranging from stocks to gold. But the mention by Safemoon of going safely to the moon is an important one, which really sums up what the cryptocurrency is all about. That being said, it wouldn't surprise us if this is the first time you've heard of Safemoon, which has to a large extent been left off of cryptocurrency exchange platforms due to how new it is. In fact, the only way to purchase this altcoin is to go through a complicated process that involves using Binance coins and a digital wallet application. Before we get into the process of acquiring the cryptocurrency though, let's take a look at what it is. Like the majority of cryptos out there at the moment, Safemoon is defined as a decentralized finance token, which many have taken to abbreviate to DeFi token. This basically means that as a crypto, it forms part of an alternative financial system which is not governed or intervened by centralized systems such as banks. This allows for the altcoins such as Safemoon to be traded in a peer-to-peer manner, cutting out the middleman and eliminating the extra charges that are often placed on such transactions. As the market has come to explain, you can't exactly have bank charges applicable where the transaction isn't going through a bank. Safemoon is also similar to other cryptos in respect of the technology that regulates it. There's no doubt that you've heard about the complicated blockchain technology by now, but may still not know precisely what this refers to. Like all other forms of cryptocurrency, Safemoon employs the use of this technology to exist. It consists of a number of data points described as blocks, which essentially store all information in respect of the transactions made using the coin. Once a block is considered to be full, this information bleeds over into the next data point, which is connected to the previous block in a chain-like sequence. And it's from this sequence that the technology gets its name. Not too complicated when you look at it simply, right? The only other piece of information you'll need to know about it is that the longer the eventual chain of the crypto, the slower the transaction speed and higher the fees applicable to its sale and purchase. The uniqueness of Safemoon. To really understand how unique Safemoon is, you have to understand the way investors have been playing the cryptocurrency exchange over the last few years. The main principle in use is that of buying low to sell high, which is used to make money off of all sorts of investments the world over. But since the cryptocurrency exchange is so volatile in nature, these bear markets and bull markets appear far more frequently than other investments that are far more established. In fact, the majority of investors still don't understand just how many variables affect the value of cryptocurrencies and what effect these variables may have at the end of the day. Look at Dogecoin, for example. As the winning cryptocurrency of the year so far, Dogecoin skyrocketed in value at the beginning of the year due to tweets by Elon Musk and mentions across the general news cycle. It then reached its bear market and dropped its value by over 50%. A few days later, and the altcoin was up in value once more after Coinbase Pro decided to announce that it would allow for the trading of Dogecoin on its exchange. And it's this volatility within the market that Safemoon is trying to combat by employing the use of some unique regulations. Rather than persisting with the buy low, sell high mentality, Safemoon has encouraged investors to hold on to their Safemoon coins for as long as possible. This is highly unique due to the fact that many investors purchase cryptos to get into day trading with the intention of earning profit on a daily basis. Safemoon encourages investors to hold by stating that all sales of Safemoon will be subject to a 10% transaction fee, regardless regardless of the reason for the sale. Once taken from the price of the transaction, this 10% fee is split in two, with 50% going to SafeMoon for reinvestment, while the other 50% is redistributed to the other holders of the crypto. So not only are sellers of the crypto hit with a larger fee at the end of the day, holders of the altcoin are encouraged to hold as they earn more SafeMoon coins the longer they do so. It's a very unique strategy being employed by SafeMoon that we have yet to see spread to other cryptocurrencies. But since SafeMoon is so new, this makes sense. How would this defeat the volatility of the market, you might ask? Well, the value of an altcoin rises when more people invest in the coin, with the value decreasing after a large number of investors sell off their interest in the digital currency. By encouraging investors to hold rather than sell, this volatility is decreased to a large extent, which makes the crypto one with the most potential for usability as the days go on. You see, no merchant wants to accept a crypto as payment where that crypto may not be worth anything the next day. So when you have a crypto with an increasing value that is not subject to volatile decreases in value, you have one that merchants will actually be interested in. To put it simply, if SafeMoon takes off like we think it will, it might actually come closer than Bitcoin in respect of becoming an everyday form of useful digital currency. Getting your hands on SafeMoon. So if this sounds like an altcoin you'd be interested in, you'll probably want to know how you can get your hands on some SafeMoon. Unfortunately for you, this isn't as simple as logging onto a crypto exchange and making a purchase. This is due to the fact that no platforms currently offer the purchase and trade of SafeMoon coins at the moment. So to get started, go ahead and download the Trust Wallet application from the Google Play app on your phone. You'll also find the free download available for PC and Apple products if you prefer one or the other. Regardless of whether you are currently using another wallet, hardware or otherwise, you'll need the free Trust Wallet application to make the process a lot easier. Once you have the Trust Wallet application downloaded, take a trip over to the Binance Exchange platform, formerly known as Binance DEX. For those of you who don't know, this is why the majority of traders exchange Binance coins for other cryptos and vice versa. If you haven't yet created a Binance profile, you'll have to do so by filling in your information, verifying your identity, and inputting your financial info. Once done, you'll be able to buy Binance coins like the rest of us, which is the third step in the process. The end game is to exchange these Binance coins for SafeMoon coins, so make sure to buy as many as you would want in SafeMoon. Next, you'll need to store these Binance coins in the Trust Wallet application, which is as simple as selecting the Wallet tab on the Binance homepage and clicking on the Fiat and Spot option on the drop-down menus. From there, select the Withdrawal option and send the Binance coins to your Trust Wallet application by filling in your public key. Now, head on over to your Trust Wallet application and select the DApp tab, from where you will be able to search for a secondary application known as PancakeSwap. Selecting and installing the secondary application will enable you to exchange your Binance coins for SafeMoon coins. Once within PancakeSwap, make sure that your wallet is connected and input the number of Binance coins you want to exchange for SafeMoon. Once completed, you'll find some SafeMoon stored in your wallet equal to the value of the Binance coins you traded for them. Not as complicated as it may have seemed at first, but definitely not as easy as purchasing Bitcoin. But with the potential to reach record-breaking highs in the future, this process doesn't seem like too much effort at the end of the day. The underrated nature of SafeMoon. SafeMoon as a cryptocurrency is obviously quite underrated at the moment, considering the loops that investors have to jump through in order to own their own portion of the altcoin. But the value of the crypto is growing pretty quickly. In fact, last month the crypto saw a 24-hour increase of around 910%, with its current value being set at around $0.0000037 per coin. This is perfect for new investors who can own a number of these coins for just $1, minimizing the risk of loss and maximizing the return if things truly go as well as we think they will. The fact that you'll also earn more crypto while holding on to this investment is another plus point that cannot be forgotten. So, what are you waiting for? What do you think about the potential of SafeMoon? Feel free to let us know in the comment section down below.